Hi, I'm John Taylor with MrQuickPick USA, and it is giveaway time. I'm putting together a roadside assistance kit that actually works. You've seen those kits at Walmart, or maybe you get them on Amazon, where you get the jumper cables that look like this. Really? You're gonna start a fire? No. I got a couple Weegos here. I got the 22, I got the 66. I know I need to get the 44. I need to talk to the people at Weego about that. We'll get there. Today we're giving away this 20-foot long set of 4-gauge jumper cables. Why do you need that long of a set of jumper cables? Obviously, you don't know if you're going to run into someone who is nose in to their garage or at a parking space at the mall. We've all run into that. You can simply pull up behind them, or if you're the person that is stuck and needing a jump, you have these in the trunk, you have somebody simply pull up behind you. Hey baby, they can come right to the back of your car, 20 feet long. Yeah, they're gonna start that. Not like that pair I just ditched in the background. The set that we're giving away also comes with, get this, a little terminal cleaner. Hey, you get that rust off? Everybody says Pepsi, Coke. Hey, use this, and a Coke. Also comes with a set of gloves. Hey, I don't know what size they are. I carry my own gloves, but the fact that they threw them in there, I like it. And a little carrying case. So when you're done with the cables, throw them in your trunk, put them in the carrying case. You tell us if you know of something better. I like the Weegos. The Weegos work well. You keep those charged up. Maybe you don't need the cables in the first place. You let us know. We're going to give these cables away. It's a random drawing. Like and share our post. John Taylor, MrQuickPick USA.